Hello YouTubers, today can I be showing you my Geronimo Stilton books. First, I got this Lost Treasure of the Emerald Eye. It's good. The story of it is created. It all started when my sister Thea discovered an old mysterious map. It showed a secret treasure hidden on a faraway island. In not, in no time at all, my sister dragged me and my cousin trapped into her treasure hunt. It was an adventure I'd never forget. Geronimo Stilton. Who is Geronimo Stilton? That's me. I run a newspaper, but my true passion is writing tales of adventure. Is New Mouse City, the capital of Mouse Island. My books are all bestseller. The stories are full of fun, tastier than Swiss cheese and danger than extra sharp cheddar. They are masters linking good stories, and that's a promise. This book is in scholastic. You know, I got it from Dubai way. That's it. The characters are Geronimo Stilton, Thea, Trap, and Benjamin. That's it. Treasure of Emerald Eye. Emerald Eye. That's good. Play it again. That's it. It's really cool book. Then I just stop reading this because I'm finished now with reading this book because I finished this. Then I will read the next book and I finished that too. The next book then I didn't finish it. The second book that I read is The Curse of the Cheese Pyramid. That's a bestseller book that I read in the back page. I'm gonna show you. The map of Mouse Island. That's it. And the map of New Mouse City. Roland's Garden. This is my brother. Hello. And I have these books and this about the author. Born in New Mouse City, Mouse Island, Geronimo Stilton is Ratus Emeritus on Mausomorphic literature of Neoratonic comparative philosophy for the past 20 years. He has been running the Rollins Gazette, New Mouse City most widely read daily newspaper. Stilton was awarded the Ratzinger Prize for the scoop of the The Curse of the Cheese Pyramid. This is it. He also received the Anderson 2000 Prize for Personality of the Year. One of his bestsellers won the 2002 eBooks Award for World's Best Read Electronic Book. Sorry, sorry. His work have been published in 180 countries. In his spare time, Mr. Stilton collects antique cheese rinds and play golf. But what he most enjoys is telling stories to his nephew Benjamin. Benjamin, his nephew. Benjamin Stilton. And the story of this book is, it was a dream come true. I was off to the Egypt to interview a famous arch archaeologist. I climbed on board a grubby old camel that would take me across the desert to the cheese cheese pyramid. There among mummies and hieroglyphs, and would learn the secret of the seven wonders of ancient mouse world. That school, the student, wake up, the first chapter. Let's go. Let's go this curse. The curse of the cheese pyramid. The curse of the cheese pyramid. Almost. The next book I have is Cat and Mouse in a Haunted House. This I read. Yeah. I read this now. This story is Cat and Mouse in a Haunted House. Lost in a dark, spooky forest. It was truly a polarizing experience for a pretty mouse like me. So I sought shelter in a traveling old mansion. The place was completely empty or so I thought, but I quickly discovered that it was haunted by cats. Let me tell you, this was one case where curiosity almost killed the mouse. That's a story. And it's cool to go book. You will see this one if you buy it. Cool. This book is cool. Cool book. Buy it. I will be sure after that. Cool book. Good book. Thanks. Just buy it so you can read it. And the next book is 2 pounds of my food. I didn't read this because I didn't finish the Cat and Mouse in a Haunted House. And this is it. 2 pounds of my food. And 2 pounds of my first stories. When my old friend Professor Von Volt called to ask for help, I agreed immediately, even thought to meant taking halfway around the world to Mount Everest. The trip was long and dangerous. I almost froze my tail off along the way, and then I was kidnapped by a Yeti. Yes, it was truly an extraordinary adventure. That's it. Good book. Two, like we're gonna see this. It's a cool book. Cool. The first chapter is I'm too young to go bald. That's it. I'm too young to go bald. This book is cool. It's number 4 book. The 4th book. Geronimo Stilton. Cool book. Cool. It smells good. And the 5th book is Four Mice Deep in the Jungle. The story of it, Four Mice Deep in the Jungle, is I have never been a brave mouse, but lately my fears were taking over my life. So they and Trap decided to carry me. They drag me away on an airplane. I'm afraid of flying all the way to the jungle. There I was forced to eat bug soup, climb trees as tall as skyscrapers, swim in a raging rivers, and even rattlesnakes. How would a pretty mouse like me ever survive? That's it. The first chapter. The first chapter is. Wait. How serious is it, Doctor Shrinkfleur? That's it. That's it. It's cool, but bad is. It is a proven good. Good. That is. So you can read it cool, but it not fit in your pocket. But even if it's not fit in your pocket, it's cool. You can read it. You can put it on your back or hold it. And when you're walking, you can read it. You can read the third. And I'm gonna do a chapter, I don't know, part 2 for the other books. This book. I'm gonna review all of these books. Cool books. Okay. Wait for part 2 and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and rate my video. Thank you.